Here's why your BMW climate control not working from certified mechanics in Decatur. The climate control system in your BMW makes it possible for you to drive your car comfortably. However, of late, drivers have been complaining about failing climate control systems in their BMWs. There are several factors that can cause the climate control system to fail anytime. Here are the leading causes behind your climate control system not working. Malfunctioning control module. The control module located on the dashboard is used to control the functioning of the climate control system. It also consists of some electronic hardware that is used to control the heating and cooling of the system. If it faces issues with its functioning, it can lead to a host of issues and your climate control might cease functioning. As this is an electronic system, its malfunctioning after years of usage cannot be ruled out altogether. Sensor failure. Most people are not aware of the fact that there are at least two sensors used in your climate control systems. One is the ambient temperature sensor located outside of the car, and another is cabin temperature sensor located inside the car. These two sensors keep a tab on the temperature and strength of air flowing from the vents of your vehicle. Whenever any of these sensors gives out a faulty reading, then it can affect the functioning of the climate control system. Damaged motors. There are certain motors in your car that help the climate system to mix the amount of warm and cold air entering the cabin. This helps in maintaining an ambient temperature inside the cabin of your car. If the air blending motor encounters issues with its functioning, then it won't be able to blend the air entering the car. This will adversely affect the functioning of the climate control system in your high-end car. Conclusion. These are some of the leading causes behind failing of the climate control system in your BMW. Take your BMW to a certified repair shop for getting it diagnosed and fixed accordingly.